Hi, no one teach us how to do shaving properly on the face. In today's video, I am going to discuss about when you should do shaving, in which way you should do, which type of the razor is best for you, how to do shaving that you have the minimal damage to the skin, and what is the care to be taken after shaving. Skin care is not only for the female, even men need to take care of the skin. And when we do the frequent shaving, it's going to affect our skin also. Many of my patients come in my clinic with the complaint of the boil or acne, irritation, dryness, bleeding, infection over the shaving area. So you must know how to do the proper shaving and what care we should do. Are you doing shaving after taking shower? Before taking shower. Most of the people do the shaving before the shower. So it's not the ideal way. It's very important to do the shaving after the shower only, because after shower your skin and hair are soft, smooth, and excessive oil and the dead skin have been removed by the bathing. So it's very easy to do the shaving and minimum chances of the damage to the skin is there. If doing shaving immediate after the taking shower is not convenient to you, you should wash your face with the good cleanser and the warm water, and after that you should do the shaving. Let's see about which type of the razor blade you should use. There are multiple types of the different blade are available. It starts from the single blade, 2 blade, 5 blade, and multi blade also. You can use any razor with which you feel the comfortable. The most important thing in the choosing razor is sharpness of the blade. You should be very careful when you are using the straight razors. When you feel the irritation during the razor, you feel excessive burning sensation, or your razor does not move smoothly over the shaving area, that means it's time to change the razor blade. Whenever you do the shavings, do only in the small stroke. Do not go for the long stroke and do not do in the hurry. Please keep in mind that you should always shave in the direction of the hair. When you do the shaving in the opposite direction, there might be chance of the razor bump, infection, or the ingrow hair. You should rinse your razor with the warm water multiple times during the shaving to remove the hair and the dead skin which trap in the razor. After shaving, you must put your razor in the dry environment. You should keep it away from the moist area like in the shower area or in the sink, because moist environment promote the growth of the bacteria. Ideally, you should keep the angle of around 28 to 32 degree to have the close shave and the minimum damage to the skin. When you do the shaving, do not put the excessive pressure while doing the shaving. Now let's see about the leather. So you can use the shaving cream, gel, or foam formulation. You can use the hand when you are using the foam formulation, but with the gel and cream it's better to use the shaving brush. Whenever you apply the gel or foam, you should keep it for 2 to 3 minutes, because main function of the shaving cream and gel is to give the moisturizer to the hair and skin and make it soft and smoothen. It acts as a lubricant. So it makes very easy and the smooth movement of the razor on the skin. Whatever shaving gel or cream you are using, you should use the shaving cream or gel which mention that use for the sensitive skin. Shaving creams containing the menthol should not be used. It gives you the cooling and the refreshment look, but chances of the irritation and dryness is very high. You can use the cream which contains the aloe vera and vitamin E. It also provides the moisturizer effect. After shaving, don't forget to apply the moisturizer lotion. Moisturizer lotion will provide the protection to the skin and also make the skin soft and smoother. In case if you are doing the dry shaving with the electric razor, then you can apply the antibacterial cream after that. You should avoid application of the aftershave lotion which contains the alcohol, because alcohol has the irritant effect and it also make your skin very dry and irritant. If you have any bleeding or bumps after the shaving, you can apply the antibacterial cream over that area. You should be very careful while doing the shaving when you have the pimples, wart, viral infection, or any other types of the cuts on the face. When we do the razor, it also remove the hair, but along with that minor dead skin layer is also removed, and along with that bacteria which presents on the skin, that also comes with the razor. So if you are sharing with anyone, if you use any other person's razor, then chances of the getting infection is very high. So you must not share your razor with anyone. Now let's see how frequently we should do the shaving. There is no hard and fast rule for how frequently you should do the shaving. It depends on your professional, in which rate your hair growth is there. In some patient, hair growth is very minimum, they require 1 or 2 times in the week. In many person, hair growth is very hard and very fast, so in that you require the most frequent shaving. Ideally you should do the shaving in the interval of 1 or 2 days, so in between you give time to the skin for the healing. Too frequent shaving on the face in the improper way can make your skin dull and darker. So in summary, you should do the shaving after taking shower. Use the very sharp razor blade. Whenever using the shower gel or cream, use it which contains the vitamin E and aloe vera. Use razor only in the direction of the hair, and immediate after shaving, use good moisturizer cream. When you do the shaving properly, it's very healthy and safe for your skin. To watch more informative and educational video like this, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.